We set off in the rain. William's new Oxford trousers were letting the water in, so he was uncomfortable every time there was a downpour.
flower, violet green, lily of the valley on my knees. All the things I left behind, save this little place in my mind. I don't wanna lose you. It's too soon. I don't wanna lose you. It's too soon.
So everything is soaking and it's been a really uncomfortable day, hasn't it?
Yes, my gears let me down yet again. And the old crown jewels there, they're all bit squidgy.
It's been wet where you wouldn't want it to be wet, if you know what I mean. So yes, you've been uncomfortable all day, haven't you? Which is not nice.
Not nice.
Yeah, we've also had failure on structural failure on the chair. Had a bit of a comedy moment, which unfortunately we didn't get on camera because you fell backwards.
I fell backwards, yeah.
So that needs to go in the bin as well, really, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're not having much luck with the equipment at the moment.
And then you put me on half rations of wine after that.
Oh dear. So yes, you need to upgrade your gear and we need to buy another chair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't buy Oxford gear.
No, it's not good. Well,
Not good.
you haven't had a good experience with it, so yeah. On our rest day, the weather forecast was for rain, so we decided to explore the beach and watch a beach race we'd been told about before it arrived.